Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off reduce white point to reduce the intensity of bright colors on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, in here, we scroll down and tap on Display and Text Size. After that, we go down to the bottom and tap on Reduce White Point. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now, when you turn it on, you can also change the intensity of the white point by simply dragging on this slider bar to the right or to the left. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.